Imagine a battlefield. Soldiers move cautiously. They are on patrol. Suddenly, a shape emerges. It moves like an animal, sleek and agile. It's a robot dog, a new breed of warrior. This is not science fiction. The US Army is integrating robot dogs into its ranks. These machines are changing the face of warfare. For years, drones ruled the skies. They provided surveillance and carried out strikes. But now, the ground is becoming just as important. Robot dogs are designed for this new battleground. They can navigate difficult terrain. They are stealthy and can gather intelligence. Robot dogs are becoming essential assets to modern armies. Drones have limitations. They are vulnerable to enemy fire. Their reliance on a data link makes them susceptible to jamming. Drones also lack the ability to operate effectively in confined spaces or underground. This is where robot dogs have a distinct advantage. Their size and agility allow them to move through buildings and tunnels. Robot dogs can access areas that are too dangerous for human soldiers. This makes them invaluable for reconnaissance missions. They can provide real-time information about enemy positions and potential threats. The technology behind robot dogs is impressive. They use sensors and artificial intelligence to perceive and interact with their surroundings. Advanced cameras provide 360-degree vision. Sensors detect obstacles even in low-light conditions. Robot dogs are incredibly versatile. They can be equipped with various payloads depending on the mission. Need surveillance? Attach high-resolution cameras and sensors. Need to clear a path? Equip them with robotic arms or even weapon systems. The pros and cons of robot warriors. Robot dogs offer several advantages over traditional soldiers and even drones. They don't get tired. They don't experience fear or hesitation. They follow orders precisely. This makes them effective in dangerous situations. However, the use of robot dogs also raises ethical concerns. Critics worry about autonomous weapon systems. What happens if a robot dog malfunctions? Who is responsible for their actions? These questions are still being debated. The future of warfare. The future of warfare is being shaped by robotics and artificial intelligence. Robot dogs are just the beginning. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more sophisticated machines on the battlefield. This raises important questions about the future of conflict and the role of humans in warfare. Will we find the right balance between innovation and ethical considerations? Only time will tell.